Hello students, this video lecture is for class 5th, subject computer, lesson 1 and part 1st. Lesson name is classification of computers. So let's start with the introduction. Computers can be classified in different categories based on their working principles, purpose, data handling, etc. So let's classify this computer on the basis of data handling and working principle. According to the data handling and working principle, computers can be classified into three types. First, analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. Now let's see what is analog computer. Analog computer are computers that work on continuously variable data. Analog computers operate on numbers represented by directly measurable quantities such as voltages or rotation of gears. They are used to stimulate physical processes such as motion of aircraft through the air. Analog computers produce quick results. They are special purpose computers. So, analog computers are those which are directly measuring the physical quantities such as the speedometer of a bike. As the front tire of the bike revolves, a speedometer calculates the speed of your bike according to the revolution of your bike's tire. So these computers works on the directly measurable quantities such as voltages, rotation of gears of bike tire. Now let's see the digital computer. Digital computer presents digital information by numerical digits. Generally, it uses binary number system and thus it can understand only 0 and 1. These computers perform calculation and logical operation on binary numbers. So, an analog computer needs a physical measurable quantity, and but the digital computer does not need any physical measurable quantity. It only needs information in the forms of 0 and 1, and it also processes it and gives the answer in 0 and 1, which is binary number system. And these computers can perform calculation very quickly. And the first digital computer was ENIAC 1, which is electronic numerical integrator and computer, and which was introduced in February 1946, and it was the first successful digital computer. Next, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a computer system containing both analog and digital devices so that properties of each can be used to the greatest advantage. In hybrid computer, the analog part processes the analog data while the digital part of the computers processes the result given by the analog part. So the hybrid computer gets the benefits of both the analog computer and the digital computer, and the analog part processes the analog data and the digital parts processes the result given by the analog data. For example, let's see where these hybrid computers are used. It is used in weather, weather forecasting, such as the humidity, wind speed. It is calculated by the analog computer and then processed by the digital computer. So weather forecasting is done by the hybrid computer. So this is enough for the first video of this first lesson. In the next video we will be talking about the classification based on their uses. Thank you.